I'm sure you've used Google at some point. Maybe you've used it for your assignment, a project, research, daily news, or whatever you wanted to know. In fact, what's on your mind right now? Try to search for it, and you'll see hundreds of results on Google. That's how powerful the search engine is. However, Google may also be utilized to make money if you only follow the Google method. Only a few people know this tactic and are making thousands of dollars. If you want to be like them, then watch this video to learn this Google technique. I can assure you that I will provide you with all the information that you need to know to earn money. You can do this on your computer or even a smartphone, just as long as you have internet connection. Also, I'll let you have access to this free tool that you can use to boost your income. So now, let's go deeper into the step-by-step process. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. For the first step, go to Google and type Google News into the search bar. Alternatively, you can press this button and select the news logo, and then you'll be taken to the Google News page. As you can see, you can read a lot of news on this page. They publish the most recent news from all around the globe. Google also divided the most widely read news into categories, including business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. People frequently look for these categories whenever they browse the internet. For this video, let's use the health category. Click on it, and then you'll be directed to the page where you can see the most recent info or news on the health category. All of these articles are available to read, so from this, you can choose any of the news articles. These articles are professionally written, giving you all the information that you need. If I open this one, this is the content, and this is where we can draw some ideas for the new article we'll create. Now this is how Google News may generate money for us. I'll simply copy this section of the article, and the next step will be to visit spinbot.com. I'll spin or paraphrase the text I copied earlier. This is a free tool that you can also use to help you paraphrase the text. There are two boxes right here. Just put the copied text into the left box and then select either the basic spin or the basic paraphrase option. You can see the paraphrase text in the box on the right. Voila! It's been totally rewritten. But still, you might need to change a few of the words or fix some grammatical errors before copying the paraphrase text. This is how you can create new content that you can use to make money. This trick could already be familiar to some of you, but if this is the first time you've heard about this, well, then you're lucky. That's it. That's how we can use Google News. Then, with the power of the artificial intelligence of Spinbot, we can create a brand new article and make money from it. Let me now share the 3 websites that will pay you after you submit the articles. To know the registration process, which is the most crucial part, you have to watch this video. Let's talk about the first website on our list. Here we have textbroker.com. Click I write content and then choose payment so that you can see how much you can be paid from this website. Always remember that your earnings will rely on the quality of your articles. They can rate you between 3 and 5 stars. But you don't have to worry. After all, there isn't any need to write an article, and you're not required to be an expert writer or have any writing experience. All you need to do is to follow the instructions. Now go to Google News, select a category, and start searching for articles. After utilizing Google and Spinbot to rewrite articles, you will get paid. You could receive ratings from 3 to 5 stars and get paid between 1.5 cents and 5.5 cents per word when using high-quality articles. So, for example, if your article has a rating of 5 stars, you can calculate how much money you can make in this part. Let's say you've finished writing a 2,500-word article. This means that you could earn roughly $137.50 with just one article. And so what if your article is 5,000 words long? You'll receive $275 for that article. And when you can make a 12,000 word article, you can cash out a staggering $660. Google News features a variety of articles, so you can mix 2 or more articles to produce a long article. Just follow the simplest ways for beginners to earn money online. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cashflow. Back to the video. There are numerous topics pertaining to health in the health category. You can pick 2 or more articles and then combine them to create a 5,000 word or a 12,000 word article. Now before I show you the other 2 websites, here are some reasons why you should write on TextBroker. First, registration is free. Second, due to their flexible time management, you also have control over your schedule. And third, you're paid every week. You can submit as many articles as you like. You will be paid every week. So once you earn $10, you can already cash that out. For the second website, we have iWriter.com. You also have to submit articles on this website to make money. The 5 fundamental steps to getting paid are the following. You should first create a free account. Second, you're free to write about whatever subject you choose or those that the clients request. These well-known subjects like business, technology, entertainment, and so forth are all available. And you can choose whatever subject you want for your article. Fourth, they'll evaluate and grade your article. They could accept or reject it. Fifth, you can get paid immediately when your article has been accepted and received a 5-star rating. You can make a lot of money depending on the packages clients purchase. If they pick the Elite Plus bundle, for instance, for every 150 words, you can earn $13. If it's a 3,000 word article, you'll get paid $217.50. If you publish extremely high quality articles, such as those from Google News, your article may be categorized as being in the Elite Plus category. You can submit the same articles to TextBroker.com and iWriter.com without limit. As a result, you earn money from various income streams from a single piece you produce. It's accessible to people from all nations, and registration is 100% free. Let's now move on to the third article. Let me introduce you to Scripted.com. Like the 2 websites I've mentioned, any articles you write for this website will be compensated. Click the Talent category and then select Join Talent Network. You can apply by clicking the Apply button and entering all the necessary information on this page. Google and Google News have a significant influence because they cover the trendiest and most popular topics people want to know about, such as technology, entertainment, science, and even health. They're updated daily based on available resources, news stories, and other information. The good thing about this website is that they provide competitive pay, ensuring that writers are compensated and receive some benefits. But you can also write what you know. However, it is important to pick subjects that people often read. You can find a job that fits your qualifications and is flexible. Additionally, you can work with excellent companies here. Well, you can use this as an opportunity to expand your writing portfolio. Work whenever and wherever you want. The writers here choose their own working hours. They also have payment and project management. They'll be the ones who handle all the processes. Therefore, since you can receive your income as quickly as possible, you don't need to worry about it. So, those are the 3 websites where you can submit each of your articles to get paid. I hope this video was helpful to you. You're free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. See you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video, and to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.